There are several types of dashboard, but all follow the same overall layout, with the speedometer on the left and rev counter on the right. The fuel gauge is always under the speedo, and all options have an AdBlue gauge by the rev counter, so you'll always know the AdBlue tank contents. On this dashboard, the speedometer has a digital speedo in the centre, which can be set to mph or kph, and a trip meter. The right binnacle with the rev counter has a digital clock and outside temperature display along with the AdBlue gauge.